Hi, welcome to Cipla Breathe Free. We will now show you how easy it is to use this simple device called Zerostat VT Spacer with your inhaler. Zerostat VT Spacer helps you to take the medicine from the inhaler comfortably. It gives you more time to inhale and allows you to obtain full benefit of the medicine released from the inhaler. This is a Zerostat VT Spacer pack. It contains a Zerostat VT Spacer and a patient information leaflet. You should always refer to the patient information leaflet before using the Zerostat VT Spacer. The Zerostat VT Spacer consists of inhalation chamber, a lock, mouthpiece cap and mouthpiece. We will now show you how to use your Zerostat VT Spacer. Assemble your Zerostat VT Spacer by firmly pushing the two halves of the spacer together and rotate. The Zerostat VT Spacer comes with two locks which ensure proper assembling of the two halves. Make sure that mouthpiece is closed with the cap. Remove the cap from the mouthpiece of the inhaler. Shake the inhaler well. Insert the inhaler firmly into the opposite end of the Zerostat VT Spacer. Holding the inhaler, press down the canister to release a dose into the Zerostat VT Spacer. Breathe out fully through mouth and immediately remove the mouthpiece cap from the Zerostat VT Spacer and close your lips firmly around the mouthpiece to create a good seal. Do not bite it. Breathe in through your mouth slowly and deeply, thus inhaling the medicine through the spacer. Remove the Zerostat VT Spacer from your mouth and hold your breath for about 10 seconds or as long as you're comfortable, and then breathe out normally. If another dose is required, wait for 1 minute and then repeat the previously mentioned steps. Shake the inhaler, insert and actuate. Breathe out fully. Breathe in through Zerostat VT Spacer slowly and deeply and hold your breath for about 10 seconds or as long as you're comfortable, and then breathe out normally. Important instructions. Clean the Zerostat VT Spacer at least once a week. Separate the two halves of the spacer. Rinse both the halves in clean water and then shake to remove excess water. Leave to air dry. Ensure that the Zerostat VT Spacer is completely dry at all times. Do not clean with boiling or hot water, as this will damage your Zerostat VT Spacer. After taking each dose, rinse your mouth with water and spit it out. It is recommended that Zerostat VT Spacer should be replaced with a new one after 6 months of use. For more information, please refer to the patient information leaflet provided with the Zerostat VT Spacer pack. Breathe Free, a Cipla initiative.